Hi everyone, this is Mylène Courval from the marketing team at Beyond Technologies. Today, Eric will provide a good overview of SAP Analytics Cloud and will answer to all your concerns and provide recommendations to make the most out of SAP Analytics Cloud.
Cloud BI has the potential of becoming a central component to all BI and analytics strategies within the enterprise. It provides real-time access to all your business-critical data and gives access to this data to all your users within the enterprise and even outside the enterprise, depending on your requirements, since this is a cloud-based solution. In the past few years, SAP has gone through a lot of iterations in terms of cloud BI solutions. You may have heard of SAP BI Cloud Platform, SAP Business Objects BI Platform, SAP Lumiere Cloud, crystalreports.com, SAP Cloud for Planning, and more recently Cloud for Analytics, which now became SAP Analytics Cloud. So through all those different attempts, SAP was able to really experience what the user is really expecting from a cloud BI solution. So in February 2015, SAP announced the launch of SAP Analytics Cloud, which really is to become the central component to all BI usage within the enterprise. Also, their current on-premise solution right now, they're converging most of the solutions to streamline them into a more limited number of tools. From a visualization strategy and self-service solutions to end users, SAP has now capitalized mainly on SAP Analytics Cloud. Over the next few years, the objective is that their cloud solution covers all the different requirements. Users have become kind of comfortable using different tools for each different use case. Now, within SAP Analytics Cloud, you'll be able to do visualization, self-service, exploration of data, pure reporting that's still being optimized, we could say, and then also providing more analytical applications that currently are only built through the on-premise solution. And finally, over the last few years also, SAP has really worked on integrating this cloud BI solution with all their business applications workflows to really enable the users to analyze what's happening within all their applications, going through only one single point of entry, the cloud BI platform, SAP Analytics Cloud. SAP Analytics Cloud is a software as a service solution that integrates different tools within one solution. You get planning, you get predictive analytics, and some very nice business intelligence solutions for visualizations and reporting. Through this tool, users get better insights on all their data and even enables them to act on it. Also, the solution gives access to multiple types of solutions. We've talked about SAP solutions in a previous question. Now, in this case, we also are able to access also different files you have lying around on cloud drives you may have put somewhere, or even some other databases that are not SAP at all. And then you can package all of this together to improve visualizations and really enable your users to dig down into it and get to some kind of insight. On top of that, you get a collaborative solution where users can interact, add comments within their different visualizations and reports, so they can exchange the view they have on this data and maybe in some kind of observations they may have. Also, obviously, in today's world, you need a mobile application that would enable users to access it from anywhere, anytime. There's so much to talk about. I could spend the next hour detailing all the functionalities. What I'm doing instead is detail the key functionalities that really can bring an advantage to how you use data within your enterprise. Here are some of the important highlights. You can create a new story, which enables you to get nice visualizations. You can explore your data, amend data to the existing model, or even run smart discovery that can bring out some insights that you may not have seen yourself within the data. You have multiple kind of charts. They're grouped by types of analysis, and then you can get a better sense of what the data is actually telling you. Obviously, there is a lot of geographical data analysis available, and you can create geomaps that gives you also some geographical visibility on how your data is organized. You get drill down and filter functionalities typically, and you can aggregate and insert custom formulas that will allow you to apply your different indicators that you may need within the solution. A nice advantage of the solution as well is its integration with business planning and consolidation from SAP. So you can do actual business planning and version management within the solution. So you can do your planning, then build your dashboards. You can bring in data from BPC and push it back to your BPC solution as required. You get some predictive time series forecasting available in the solution, possible ways for linking dimensions, tiles, different stories and pages, and integrate them together to really build a presentation. Endless styling and formatting options for each object, tile, and story. Collaborations options with commenting. You can share, you can start discussions, you can set up workflows and even calendars. So second to last, but not the least, is predefined content for different industries and lines of business that really enables you to capitalize on dashboards and pages that have been pre-built by SAP, and then you can build on to really improve what these solutions provide to you. And finally, obviously, you get mobile responsive design, namely, depending on what mobile application you're using, the dashboard is going to adapt to really improve and optimize how it looks on your different platforms. SAP supports a hybrid strategy with SAP Analytics Hub, which enables you to provide access to different visualizations and report coming from different solutions. SAP Analytics Cloud, SAP BI on-premise solution, and even some third-party solutions through one single portal, which they call the SAP Analytics Hub. And then the user connecting through it doesn't have to ask themselves the question, where is that report? It all comes through the SAP Analytics Hub, and then when they select it, then they can end up in the different solutions when this is built. Also, from a licensing perspective, SAP is committing to a hybrid strategy at that level as well. In the second half of 2018, a clear migration strategy for unused licenses is going to be offered, where if you want to start this transition from an on-premise solution and start building some cloud tools and solutions, you can slowly migrate some of your licenses and start building and capitalizing on what cloud can actually offer you. If you hear about the SAP Analytics Cloud, you'll most probably hear about the SAP Digital Boardroom at the same time. SAP Digital Boardroom is actually a solution that goes on top of Analytics Cloud and provides visualizations and access to these dashboards through a tool that executive can use during executive meetings. It can be set up on different touch screens, and users can visualize their information, change between pages through those touch screens, and also drill down in some key performance drivers they may need to investigate during their actual boardroom meetings. The key features of the SAP Digital Boardrooms are executive meeting support, which simplifies boardroom processes and reduces preparation time. Touchscreen support, as I mentioned, which present in a single multi-screen environment, which enables you really to leverage all the touch technology that is available today. And even some value driver tree simulation that allows you to visualize important value drivers and simulate scenarios. Cloud-based authoring within a web browser provides additional flexibility to all your users, which then from any computer, they just open their web browser, connect to it, and can start playing, editing, modifying, and even collaborating without any required installation. Also, as with most SAP solution nowadays, you have SAP HANA in the backend that really helps you to optimize how you access your data, how you manipulate it and organize it, and then provide your user with the best experience, with the best performance. From a cloud solution perspective, integration with on-premise solutions can be a challenge. This is where SAP professionals can actually help you optimize how your cloud solutions can really capitalize on the information you have on-premise. Also, the release strategy that SAP is following, and most cloud solutions are following as well, can be a challenge, as every 2 weeks you get a new release. You need to see minor changes, minor additions to how the solution actually works, and really manage all your change management within the enterprise that would then allow you to help your users capitalize on all the new functionalities and improvements that appear over time. Finally, the whole on-premise versus cloud mindset must be looked at, because working with a cloud solution that constantly evolves pretty much at its own speed compared to on-premise solution where it can have your patches twice a year or once a year, really changes how people can address how the tool evolves and how it answers different requirements. Although benefits are great for all organizations like large enterprises, SMBs like beyond, you cannot tackle that kind of project without preparing yourself and really investing effort in training and getting the proper expertise to capitalize on everything the solution can provide you. Not only does it take expertise and experience from the integrator that would assist you, it also needs great effort and involvement from all the stakeholders within the enterprise. Because in the end, even though the solution can provide you various solutions and ways of visualizing your data, in the end, it must really represent how your enterprise looks at data, organizes it, and also accompany you over the next few years. If it's a throwaway solution you build every year, in the end, cloud solution or not, you will not be able to really get value out of it. Several reasons make us a great partner. First of all, our BI team expertise. We have one of the largest BI teams in Canada and constantly keep ourselves up to date on all the different solutions SAP is doing. We invest heavily on training for all our team members on new solutions and also on how SAP is evolving their existing solutions. We also go to all SAP BI related events to make sure we stay in touch with all SAP product owners, obviously, but also some lead consultants in the field that have a very different mindset sometimes than what SAP is saying, which enables us to have a complete view of where SAP is going, but also how the market is receiving those different tools, and then allow us to accompany you and counsel you on how you could yourself really capitalize on it. Secondly, our cloud deployment experience. Beyond Technology is an early adopter of most SAP cloud solutions. We've even implemented quite a few of them for ourselves before implementing them for our customers. This enables you really to guide you through those different solutions and understand where SAP is going in the cloud world, and also where we've invested a lot of time. Regularly, we bring expertise on new cloud solutions that SAP has built. Thirdly and last, our personalized approach. We pride ourselves in adapting ourselves to every single one of our customers and capitalizing our great technical expertise for sure, but communication and project management skills that really can bring value to those solutions within your enterprise.